wings are a tiny bit. It'll be fine. Just gonna have to slap that right there.
Applying TrashCan.
Oh, she's balancing well.
Yeah, that's a great spot to have the battery.
Yeah, especially the second the battery gets ejected, fan prop. But actually, I mean,
No.
Yeah, just lipo fire.
It's a ducted can. So how long did it take you to design this work of art?
I started throwing around the idea when I was at school. Like just like goofing around on CATIA and like modeling it or whatever.
Yeah.
And I pretty much like solidified my dimensions like a few days ago, and then got here, forgot all my CAD files, or like forgot all my CAD drawings that had the dimensions.
Yeah.
So I just had to go off of what I remembered.
Okay. So you did actually put effort into.
Like I didn't do any calculations on like weight or something. But I was like, this looks about right, and generally
yeah.
I'm okay at guessing.
But like, it wasn't like yesterday that you thought of doing.
No, but I showed up yesterday with like the raw materials from Home Depot, and just started working.
So, what do you think your chances of success are for flying?
I give myself, well, it's gonna fly regardless. I might not have enough power on this setup, but I'll make it fly regardless.
Okay, so 100% chance.
Yeah, 100% chance it will fly while I'm here.
And we're optimistic about minimal crash damage.
Yeah, so and then I'm going to tape both sides of the battery, and that'll keep it in place.
You know prop test yet?
I know what
No, you do it right now.
I heard about this, and I love it.
What is your expertise opinion on this?
What is your tip clearance from propeller to wire?
Wide.
Put more tape over that.
Okay. I will. We're just doing a nice throttle up test.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Just to see what happens.
I just want to.
That was like quarter throttle. It gets really loud.
Tape the crap out of that battery and wire.
What's the?
I'm surprised it's not sliding.
Yeah.
So loud.
Yeah.
That was like quarter throttle, so I think I'm good.
Okay. Can you like feel the thrust of high throttle?
Where's the CG?
Right where it needs to be.
The battery is the crash protection.
Oh no.
If it crashes, the battery's the airbag, right?
Not even that big. It sounds a bit big.
Well, I have two in there.
Oh, you have two?
Yeah, they're back to back.
What do you think about this plane?
But
I think it's really awesome. It's big. It has a big prop, and we're just gonna see how it flies.
Do you think it's gonna fly?
I don't know. I mean, I think it might fly.
I have my
Yeah,
doubts. But
I don't know.
you know what's gonna be really cool though is
No,
when a
that's
little
tapped.
airplane flies into the front of it, and it just eats it.
Spinner
Yeah,
is
it's
the
good.
nut.
It's gonna take the trash out.
How are we launching this?
It's so easy. You just
Grab one side, grab the other.
Can't wait to see if this thing flies. What are your
I'm
guys?
optimistic.
You're optimistic? It's gonna fly like garbage.
Thank you.